channel. Let's start a new lesson about adding and subtracting fraction, but with different denominators. In last lesson we speak about how can we do plus and minus fraction if the denominators are same. But here, if you can see, denominator here is different. The 7 and 14. We can't do plus or minus if denominators different. What should we do in this case? We should make the denominator same to can do adding or subtracting. Okay. Now 7 can be 14. Yes, if you multiply it by 2. But in fraction, if you multiply down, you should multiply up by the same number to make the new fraction equal with the original one. Okay. Now let's start. 2 times 5 here will be 10. 2 times 7 will be 14. Plus the second fraction, we don't do anything to it because now denominator same. We write it same. 10 plus 1 will be 11. Don't forget, after you do adding or subtracting, also after we take multiply and divide, the last answer should be put it in simplest form. 11 and 14 in simplest form, yes. If you don't remember how can we do it, revise the lesson, simplify fractions. Okay, now here 5 over 8 plus 1 over 4. Can we do plus? No. Why? Because denominators different. Okay, what should we do in this case? Check first if you can make it same. 4 can be 8. Yes, if you multiply it by 2. Then we should multiply up by 2 also. Now the first one same. The second one will be 2 over 8. Then the answer will be denominator same. We write it same. And 5 plus 2 will be 7. This is in simplest form, yes. Okay, next. 3 over 10 plus 3 over 4. Denominator same? No. Can we make 4 be 10? No. Can we make 10 be 4? No. Then in this case, what should we do? Okay, which number is bigger, 10 or 4? 10. Okay, write the multiples of 10 here. 10. Next one. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Now check again. Is 20 in table 4? Yes. Then we can make both denominator be 20. How? Let's see. Okay. 10 multiply what? 20 times 2. But then if you should multiply up by 2 because you multiply down by 2. What about 4? How can we make 4 be 20? 4 times 5. Yes. Now the new fraction here will be 2 times 3 will be 6. And 2 times 10 will be 20 plus 3 times 5 will be 15 and 4 times 5 will be 20. Now can we do plus? Yes, because denominators same. Okay, we write it same down. Now 6 plus 15 will be 21. Check, can simplify 21 in table 3, 3 times 7, 20, 4 times 5 or 2 times 10? No. No common number or common factor between them. Then no simplify. This is simplest form. Okay. Now next, also this simplest, this simplest. Now 5 over 8 plus 2 over 5. Denominator same? No. Check if you can make 5 be 8. No. 8 be 5. No. Then what should we do? We take the bigger number and write multiple of 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 in table 5? No. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 in table 5? No. 3 times 8 will be 24. 24 in table 5? No. 4 times 8 is 4 times 8 32. In table 5? No. 5 times 8 is 40. Yes, in table 2. Then what should we do here? We make this is 40. 5 times 8 will be 40. And here 8 times 5 will be 40. We multiply up and down by same number. Okay, guys. Now here let's do it. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 times 8 is 16, 5 times 8 is 40. Now denominator same, we can do it. 25 plus 16 will be 6 plus 5, 11, 1 down and 1 up, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 1 will be 4, 41 over 40. Now 41 over 40, this is in simplest form, check. 41 not even, then no, we can't do divided by 2, okay? We can't, because down even but up not even. What about 3? How can we know this in table 3? Like we said before, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 not in table 3. Table 5 should end with 0, 5. Then no, this is in simplest form. We can't simplify it. But if you want to make it mixed number, you can do it, okay? But now, let's do next one. 7 over 12 plus 3 over 10. How can we do it? Can we make 10 be 12? No. 12 be 10? No. In this case, we take the bigger number and write multiple of 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 in table 10? No. 12 times 2, 24. 24 in table 10? No. Okay. 3 times 12? 36. In table 10? No. 4 times 12? 48. In table 10? No. 5 times 12 will be 60. In table 10? Yes. If you remember, when we take simplify fractions, any number end with 0 in table 10. Then 60 in table 10, because 6 times 10 is 60. Yes. Now we should make denominator same. We said here 60 here is 12 times 5. Yes. Then we need here multiply by 5 and up by 5. What about 10? I needed what again? I needed 60. Then how can we make it 60 times 6 times 6? Now try to do it. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 12 was 60. And another denominator here is 60 also. 3 times 6 is 18. Now let's do plus. Denominator same. 5 plus 8, 13, 3 and 1 up, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 1 is 5. 53 over 60. Can simplify? No, this is simplest form. Okay, let's go to subtract fractions with different denominators. Okay, let's solve these questions. 7 over 9 minus 1 over 3. Denominator same? No, it's not same. Then what should we do here? Check first if you can make 3 be 9. Yes, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Now the first one will be 7 over 9 minus 3 over 9. Now denominator same, we can do minus. Now write 9 here. 7 minus 3 will be 4. This in simplest form? Yes. 3 over 10 minus 1 over 4. Check 4 can be 10? No. 10 can be 4? No. In this case, write multiple of 10. 10. 10 in table 4, no. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 in table 4, yes. Then we multiply it by 4 times what equal 25. Okay. Now, and how can we make 10 be 20? Multiply by 2. 2 times 3 will be 6. 2 times 10 is 20. Minus 5 times 1 is 5. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now, denominator same, yes. 6 minus 5 will be 1. Or positive 1, because 6 is bigger than 5. Okay, now next. Negative 1 over 15 minus 3 over 5. Or can say minus 1 over 15 minus 3 over 5. Or we can read it another way. Negative 1 over 15, negative 3 over 5. Negative same like minus, okay? Now, 1 over 15 and 1 is 3 over 5. The problem here, denominator not same. Can we make 5 be 15? Yes, multiply by 3. Now copy again, negative 1 over 15 minus 9 over 15. But focus here. From lesson adding and subtracting integers, if you have same sign like this is negative and this is negative. Same sign. Same sign we do plus and both same sign. Then 15 down same. 1 plus 9 will be 10 and both same sign like this. Again, if we have same sign, we do plus and put the same sign. Keep and add, okay? Now, after we did this, can simplify. Yes, 10 and 15 both are in table 5. End with 0 or 5 in table 5. You can revise video simplify fractions to remember this way. 10 and 15 will be negative, same here. 10 divided 5 will be 2, 15 divided 5 will be 3. Then the final answer will be negative 2 over 3. Negative 4 over 9 plus 2 over 15. Denominator same? No. Can 9 be 15? No. 15 be 9? No. Then you should write multiple 15 or multiples of 15. 15 times 1, 15, not in table 9. 15 times 2 will be 30. 30 in table 9? No. 3 times 15 will be 45. In table 9? Yes. Then we make both denominator here will be 45. Okay? But how? Look. 9 multiply what? Wait. 9 multiply what equal 45? 9 times 5. Up and down. What about 15? We said here 15 times 1, 15 times 2, 15 times 3. Then this is times 3 times 3. 4 times 5 here will be 20. Don't forget the negative here. 2 times 3 is 6 and the positive here. Now try to do, we do plus or minus. We have positive here and the negative here. If we have different sign, we do minus, okay? 20 minus 6 will be, because different sign we do minus, okay? 20 minus 6 will be 14. And we put the sign of the bigger number. Which number is the biggest? 20 or 6? 20. Then take its sign here is negative, then the answer will be like the biggest number here. Okay, can simplify, check. 14 is 2 times 7 only, or 1 times 14. 45, no 2, no 7 inside it. Then no simplify, simplest form. Look at the last question here. We have 3 fractions here with different signs. What should we do here? First, before we start, we should check denominators, like we did every time. We make focus here. Okay, let it like this. Now we take 15 over 8 plus 2 over 5 plus negative 7 over 8. How can we do 3 fraction plus or minus? First, we check denominators. If all denominators same, we can start all together. But now I have only 2 fractions have the same denominator. It's better to start with the fraction have the same denominator. Then what should we do? It's like you put it together beside each other. 15 over 8 here. This is 7 over 8, but it's negative. Copy it same with its sign, like this. What about this? Put it at the end here. Now we started to do this first together, because only these 2 fractions have the same denominator. Write it same. 15 is positive here and the 7 is negative here, then we do minus. Different sign, we do minus. 15 minus 7 will be 8. Now the answer here is 8 over 8 plus 2 over 5. 8 over 8 or 8 divided by 8 will be 1, because 8 divided 8 is 1, plus 2 over 5. Then we have whole number and the fraction. This make the answer will be mixed 1 and 2 fifths. This is the final answer. Thank you guys for listening and wait for next video inshallah. Bye bye.